Okay, just trying to make sure we focused. Maybe I can't see. Okay. I really hope this is focused. I'm gonna be mad if I film this and it's not. So guys, I'm coming to you today with another wig review, and the makeup is popping from a Facebook Live. But anyway, so I'm gonna be reviewing today the Bobbi Boss wig in the style Lyna, which is this really pretty bob. And the color in which I got it in is their pastel purple. So this is what she looks like. I've already cut the lace off, but I have not yet customized it. That is the parting you get down the middle, and there has some lace around the exterior. There are 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back of the wig. And it does have a drawstring to it. I'm just gonna pop it on my head. I think I'm gonna use the clip in the back, make it feel a little bit more secure. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush her, well, not brush her, but comb her out. And I really love her. When I saw her in the store, I said, yes, honey, she is coming home with me. Like, look at her. How beautiful is that? A cut. So guys, I'm going to move my camera and zoom in a little bit. So as you can see, I have not yet customized the part. I'm just going to take some concealer by LA Girl Pro, and the color that I'm using is Toffee. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. I'm going to use this brush to go down that part. I have no mirror in the front of me, so I'm literally, oh shit, that's a lot. So let me just drag that. Damn, I really fucked it up. Let me get a mirror. So this is a pretty quick and easy video, guys. I'm gonna edit a few things out, but this shouldn't be too long. Am I feeling her? Yes, ma'am. I am feeling her. Can't nobody tell me nothing. What can they say? What can they say to me? Like, girl, highlight popping, shadow popping, lips popping, and this wig is popping, girl. I love the way the color transitions and how long the part is, because it looks really natural. And I said I didn't have no shedding. Okay, I lied. There's a little bit of shedding, but not enough for you to cry about. She popping. She popping. Alright guys, if you want to see more wig tutorials and more tutorials in general, what is you doing? Subscribe to my channel, okay? Press that button. You still gonna have all your coin. We just gonna be friends, and you gonna know when I put a video up, so you can be slay on say too, okay? Poppin' too. I'm trying to see you pop, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching me, guys, and I hope that this video was helpful and that you go out and get you a Lyna, because honey, she popping.